Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Addo and thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well. Now in today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the important parts of our body that we often tend to ignore, and that is our feet. Now our feet is the foundation of our body and taking care of it is extremely important. Now our heels are not supposed to feel rough and dry, and the longer the issue persists, our feet will become cracked. Are you tired of your rough and dry feet and you can't just find time for a salon pedicure? Now, in today's video, I'm going to talk about two products that are going to rejuvenate your feet and give you a healthy feet. And those two products are Protouch Skin Instant Callus Removing Spray and Protouch Skin Advanced Moisture and Repair Feet Lotion Spray. Now, these two products are vegan. They have a lightweight formula. They are not tested on animals. They instantly soften and remove callus. They're enriched with moisturizing and soothing ingredients. They are FDA approved and they are paraben and sulfate free. So please continue to watch the entire video, because in this video, I'm going to talk about these two products in brief. I'm going to talk about the benefits of it. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. The first product that I'll be talking about is the Protouch Instant Callus Removing Spray. Now, this is an advanced formula that combines the natural nourishment of coconut oil and olive oil with the instant exfoliating power of lactic acid and salicylic acid. Now you can say goodbye to the rough, hard callus and say hello to smooth, soft feet in just few minutes. The second product that I'll be talking about is the Protouch Skin Advanced Moisture and Repair Feet Lotion Spray. Now this expertly crafted formula combines the deeply hydrating properties of shea butter, coconut oil, and avocado oil with the repairing benefits of lactic acid and glycolic acid. This super lightweight and hydrating formula is designed to absorb deeply and lock in moisture. This spray instantly softens and rejuvenates dry, cracked skin, leaving your feet feeling soft, smooth, and thoroughly nourished. Now, let us see how these two products can give you soft and nourished feet in just few minutes. Let us use the Protouch Skin Callus Remover Spray on our feet. Now, shake the bottle well and spray generously on your feet. Allow it to absorb for a few minutes. Rub and massage the product gently to see its magic work. Watch as dead skin flakes away, revealing soft and supple skin underneath. Look at it, how beautifully it takes away the callus in just few minutes. Talking about the Protouch Skin Advanced Moisture and Repair Feet Lotion, shake the bottle well and spray generously on your feet. Allow it absorb for a few seconds. Gently massage the lotion into the skin, focusing on the rough and dry areas. For best results, you must use it daily. I absolutely love how these two products soothes and rejuvenates my dry, cracked skin, leaving my feet feeling soft, smooth, and thoroughly nourished. So loves, say goodbye to hard, rough calluses on your feet and say hello to soft and nourished feet in just few minutes with Protouch Instant Callus Removing Spray and Protouch Advanced Moisture and Repair Feet Lotion Spray. So I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.